There are three main types of tenses. First one is present tense, second one is past tense, and third one is future tense. Now we shall study about the past tense. Past tense. Where and when do we use past tense? Before that we should know what are the four main forms of past tense. Simple past, he wrote a letter. Past continuous, he was writing a letter. Past perfect, he had written a letter. Past perfect continuous, he had been writing a letter. We shall see the first type now. First form of past tense, simple past tense. Where do we use simple past tense? And when do we use simple past tense? We shall see now. What exam did you write yesterday? What exam did you write yesterday? What did you study yesterday? I wrote Hindi exam yesterday. What exam did you write yesterday? I wrote Hindi exam yesterday. Here the past tense for write is wrote. When did you receive this letter? When did you receive this letter? I received this letter a week ago. So past tense for receive, received. When did she leave the school? She left the school last year. So past tense for leave, left. Then what are the places where we use simple past? For the past actions we use past tense. For the actions which have been completed we use past tense. Then for the past habits also we use past tense. When I was young, I used to climb the trees. When I was young, I used to climb the trees. It was a past action. So we use, it was a past habit. It is a past habit. We use past tense. Now let us see some present tenses and past tenses. Present tenses we refer it as V1 and past tense we refer it as V2. Work, worked. Write, wrote. Receive, received. Leave, left. You can learn many more present verb and the past verb. Then now we shall come to know what are the key words. Yesterday, a week ago, last year, the day before, last day, last year and last month. These are some of the key words. When these words come in a sentence, we use past tense alone. Now we shall study about past continuous tense. Where do we use past continuous tense? It is used for the past actions continued in the past. We use past continuous tense when the past action is continued in the past. The structure of past continuous tense is was or were plus we plus ing. Was, when the subject is I or he or she or it, we use was plus verb plus ing. When the subject is you, they, we use were plus we plus ing. Example, it was getting brighter. It was getting brighter. Next one, when I saw him, he was playing. He was playing. He was playing. The students were shouting when I entered the room. The students were shouting when I entered the room. Were shouting. Students plural form. So we use were plus verb plus ing. Students were shouting. Third form of the past tense is past perfect. I met him in 2017. I had seen him 5 years before. I met him in 2017. Before that, I had seen him 5 years back. When two actions happen in the past, The first action is in past perfect and the second action is in past tense. When two actions are happening, the first action is in past perfect and the second action is in past tense. Let us see this sentence. When I reached the station, the train had left. So here what is the first action? What happened first? The train had left. When I reached the station. The reaching the station, second action. First action, the train left. When I reached the station, the train had left. So the first action is in past perfect, second action is in past tense. I had done the work before he arrived. I had done the work before he arrived. I had done the work, finish first. The work had been done first. Before he arrived. After that only he arrived. So here we use past tense, here we use past perfect. I had done the work before he arrived. Next comes past perfect continuous. The fourth form of past tense. First form simple past, second past continuous, third past perfect and the fourth one is past perfect continuous. The structure for this is had plus been plus verb 1 plus ing. I came to school in 2014. He had already been teaching them for 5 years. I came to school in 2014. He had been already teaching them for 5 years. Before that he was in that school. I came to school in 2014. He had already been teaching them for 5 years. So this is an example for past perfect continuous.